Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Mary N. Audio from Nagaland University. In this session, we'll explore the scope, the contributing disciplines, features, objectives, and the importance of organizational behavior, often abbreviated as OB. The aim is to show how OB draws from multiple fields and provides powerful tools for understanding and managing people at work. The scope of OB spans at three levels. At the individual level, we examine personality, motivation, and job satisfaction. At the group level, we study communication, leadership, and teamwork. And at the organizational level, we look at structure, organizational culture, and systems. For example, think of how a startup with a flat structure differs from a large hierarchical corporation. We will find that the behaviors, the group dynamics, and the organizational culture are very different. Organizational behavior helps us to analyze these variations systematically. Organizational behavior, or OB, is interdisciplinary, meaning it borrows insights from several fields. Psychology contributes knowledge about personality, motivation, and learning. Sociology helps us to understand the group dynamics and organizational structures. Social psychology explains the interpersonal influence and communication. Anthropology examines the organizational culture and cross-cultural differences, and political science sheds light on power, conflict, and negotiation. Together, these disciplines make OB rich and practical. Organizational behavior has some distinctive features. It is a separate field of study, but not a discipline by itself. It takes an interdisciplinary approach, drawing from psychology, sociology, and more. It is both applied, which is helping to solve workplace problems, and also normative, prescribing how organizations should behave. OB is also humanistic and optimistic as it places people at the center of organizational success. Finally, it uses a total systems approach, treating organizations as interconnected whole. The objectives of OB are both practical and people focused. It aims to improve job satisfaction and performance. It seeks to find and nurture effective leadership. It facilitates teamwork and collaboration, which are vital in today's organizations. It enhances overall organizational effectiveness and also promotes ethical and inclusive workplace culture. In short, OB balances performance with people's well-being. So, why is OB important? Because it helps us to predict and manage employee behavior more effectively. It boosts the motivation and reduces conflict, improving morale and the retention of employee in the organization. OB enables organizations to adapt to change and innovate. And most importantly, it aligns employee goals with organizational goals. This alignment is what makes organizations resilient and successful. To summarize, OB integrates insights from multiple disciplines to study behavior at individual, group, and organizational levels. Its ultimate aim is to enhance workplace effectiveness while also supporting employee well-being. In other words, OB is about creating workplaces where both people and organizations can thrive. So these are the references. Thank you.